Hello, everyone. Next, we will demonstrate the core experiments of the camera course with the Jetson Orin development board. First, turn on the device and wait. Enter the password Elecro to access the desktop. Then click the Home directory and Jetson course directory in sequence to enter the camera course folder, which contains 13 camera courses. Next, we demonstrate the core content of the camera course. Face tracking, where the camera can accurately capture and follow the face in real time with a stable tracking frame. Then conduct face data collection. The operator presses the S key to start the collection function, enters the corresponding name of the face, and the camera automatically focuses and completes the collection and archiving of face images. Then carry out face recognition. After the camera is started, it quickly scans the face in front and immediately displays the corresponding name clearly on the screen after successfully recognizing the target. Run the car recognition program, load the pre-recorded vehicle video, and the program will real-time frame and annotate the vehicles in the video.